Welcome. Following is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and look for the power saving mode. Now when you tap on it, it will enable it by default just a normal power saving mode, but if you also have the need, you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where you have the ultra power saving or something along those lines. Or it looks like not anymore. Yep, it looks like it doesn't give us the ultra power saving mode actually anymore. So when you actually go into these settings, it does give you a couple of toggles that you can turn off. Now all of them are here to basically save your battery. So things like always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, and turn off 5G. Along with limit apps and home screen. So if you don't want some of those, for instance, like if you don't want to lose 5G connectivity, you can actually disable this and this will not turn it off during the not disturb mode, but that is completely up to you. So all you need to do now is simply tap on the toggle and this will basically do everything that it's stated and well, that was there. So it's going to turn off, drop max brightness and stuff like that. Now you can also do a couple things yourself. So for instance, Bluetooth, you can turn off if you're not using it. Location can also be turned off. Max brightness can be dropped by yourself even further. This will increase the battery, I would say substantially. So dropping it halfway will probably give you about 2 hours or so. So it is something extra. And you can also disable, what else is here? Anything that would basically use power, mobile network, Wi-Fi. Now, in terms of mobile network and Wi-Fi, you can disable it if you're not using it. You can also just use one, but even when the do not disturb mode is enabled and you lock the device like this, when the screen is off, it's gonna start the countdown, and after a couple minutes, it's gonna go into sleep mode. And during sleep mode, it disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data anyway. But when you actually wake up the display once more, it's gonna automatically reconnect to those. So this will cause you to not receive any kind of updates that would require internet connection, and you will receive them the moment you actually wake up the device. That's why I'm saying you can disable one of them at least, because one will be, or both of them will be turned off after a period of inactivity anyway. But once you're done with this, you can simply tap on the toggle once more, and this will turn it on or turn off everything that it has disabled and go back to normal function. And yeah, that is basically how you'd enable it and use it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.